Hi, welcome to Polaris. In this quick demo, I'm going to show you how you can use Polaris to launch funnels, promote products in your funnels, and also build a list. Everything is done for you, so you don't have to worry about creating funnels, creating templates, choosing products, getting your banners done, getting your email sequences done. Everything is provided and done for you inside the Polaris app. In the dashboard, you can see the total funnels that you have built, how many total views that you have received for all your funnels, the subscribers that you have built, and the total number of templates assigned to your account. We have kept the dashboard very simple so that you can start creating your funnels right away. So inside your dashboard, you can see the categories. We have affiliate marketing, email marketing, general marketing, video marketing, fitness and weight loss, health, self-improvement, dating and relationship. Then we have Clickbank high ticket and top Clickbank products. So you can get started by just clicking on any one of these categories. We have all done for you funnels inside every category, the best converting funnels for the best converting products on Clickbank. So let's get started with affiliate marketing. So here you can see all the templates we have available for affiliate marketing. So we have the template name and some description about the template. So you can preview the squeeze page and you can preview the thank you page by clicking on these buttons. And if you want to get started, just click on create funnel. Next, just give your funnel a name. Click on next step. Here, you're going to set up your squeeze page or the lead magnet. So you can see a live preview on the right hand side here, how the squeeze page or the lead page looks like. Every funnel inside Polaris is hosted for you. So you can give a funnel a name. So for the form, you can collect name and emails. Or if you want to just collect emails, you can just untick the name and you can see the live changes happening on the right hand side. Next, you can save all your leads to autoresponder, and we have major autoresponders integrated into Polaris for you to save all your leads. And also we have leads saved into your account under your subscribers as well if you wish to export your leads and host them somewhere else. Next, select your autoresponder and select the list that you want to save it on. Under advanced settings, you can change the headline and sub-headline as well as the images or videos on your lead pages. The changes are live, so you can use this to change the headline, sub-headline and images to make your lead page more unique. As you can see, all these changes are live on this right hand side. And you can change this image or video to any other image or videos. Next, we have custom codes where you can include your pixels. It could be Google Analytics, Google Pixels, Facebook Pixels, or any other pixels or code that you have in the header section, body section, and also footer section. Let's click on next. Next, you have the option to use the default thank you page that we have for you, or you can click on custom and send your visitors to another page outside Polaris. So let's go ahead and select default. So inside the thank you page, we have something that we call an offer wall, and you can select products which are inbuilt inside Polaris to help you promote these products on the thank you page and to generate you income. Next, you can upload your picture as well, and you can write a quick bio. So once you have that, click on next step, and that's all. You can click on submit. So you have your squeeze page or lead page and also the thank you page here. You can share your funnel on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WordPress, Reddit, Pocket, email, or even WhatsApp. So over here you can download your squeeze page, and also you can download your thank you page if you wish to host these on your own domain. Click on return to dashboard and you will have your campaign listed here, and you can see the amount of traffic you have and the subscribers you have built. You can get into editing to edit the funnel at any time. And inside Polaris, we have included all the top products from Clickbank, the highest converting, the best gravity products in every particular niche. So let's go ahead and see affiliate marketing. Inside here, you can see the products And you can view the products here by clicking on this. This will bring you to the affiliate page where you can read about the products and you can get all your affiliate swipes, links, and graphics. The second button here is to apply for your affiliate link. This is going to allow you to generate your hop link. Next thing you need to do is just copy your hop link, get back here, drop your hop link here, and save your affiliate link. So once this product has been saved, this product will be available for you during your funnel creation process so that you can recommend this product as well in your offer wall. If you have any other product that you wish to add, we allow you to do that as well. So click on new products and you can add the product name, the title, the description, upload the product image, select the category that you want the product to be in, and you can add your hop link here. So once you have submitted this, the product will be available inside the category that you have selected and will be available for you to choose to add into your offer wall. So you have ready-made funnels and you have ready-made products. But that's not all. We are going to also give you marketing resources, which are the email sequences that you can use to email your subscribers that you have built using Polaris, and also banners that you can use to advertise your Polaris funnels on Facebook and Google. And then you can go to subscribers to see the list of your subscribers, and you can export all the subscribers, so we have all your subscribers saved for you in the app for you to download at any time. And also you can watch all the tutorials here. We have training videos and we have also provided you traffic tutorial videos. Thanks for watching this quick demo video on Polaris.